أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dua for protection from shirk and riya. Recite once in the morning and once in the evening. Allahumma inni a'udzu bika an usyrika bika wa ana a'lamu wa astaghfiruka lima la a'lamu. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from knowingly associating anything with you, and I seek your forgiveness for that which I do unknowingly. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah upon him, said, O people, beware of this shirk from the polytheism, for it is more subtle than the footsteps of an ant. The one whom Allah willed should speak said to him, how can we beware of it when it is more subtle than the footsteps of an ant? O Messenger of Allah. Then he said, say the above dua. So when you recite this dua, then you have the protection from shirk and riya. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.